Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Upbeat economic signals are harder to find. Over the weekend, and as we've noted elsewhere, we got confirmation China has no consumer inflation. Their official data for May reported their annual inflation rate edged up to just 0.2% from April's 26-month low of 0.1%, but less than market estimates of 0.3%. But between April and May, prices fell. None of this paints a picture of substantial demand. Milk, beef and sheep meat prices all fell faster than the overall level. And China does have deflation in its industrial sector. Producer prices fell 4.6% year on year in May and faster than the 3.6% drop in April, and worse than market forecasts of a 4.3% drop. It was the 8th straight month of producer price deflation and the steepest fall since February 2016. Beijing officials are clearly worried but not unnerved yet. Their central bank governor appealed for confidence and patience after the weak price data triggered concerns over deflation that is hampering their post-pandemic recovery. In the US, concerns about the health of more regional banks is returning, especially over valuation of their loans for commercial real estate. In Canada, their jobless rate rose to 5.2% in May from 5% from the 5 previous months. This is the first increase in their unemployment rate in 9 months. Their labour market is clearly cooling. 17,300 jobs were lost, largely by younger workers, the first decline in 9 months, and this was the big surprise because analysts had expected it to rise by 23,000. In Australia, more economists are now warning growth is evaporating there, and the chances of a recession in the lucky country are now 50-50 in the third and fourth quarter of this year. The latest to come to this view are CBA and HSBC. It didn't help that business turnover fell in April, and kind of sharply. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 3.74% and unchanged from the end of last week. And the price of gold will start today unchanged at $1,961 an ounce. And oil prices have stabilised from Saturday at just under $70.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is still just under $75 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today little changed at 61.3 US cents, against the Aussie with little changed from Saturday at 91 Australian cents, and against the euro we're marginally firm at 57.1 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is still at 69.4 and little changed. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you